Hey, listen, before you waste another minute on those scammy Gmail tutorials that never work, let me show you something real. Did you know you can actually create multiple Gmail accounts without using a phone number? Yeah, it's 100% possible, and I'm going to prove it to you step by step right in this video. Now, here's the problem most people run into. The first time you make a Gmail account on your computer, it feels easy, right? But try making a second one, and suddenly Google's like, hey, we need a new phone number. Super frustrating. That's why so many people end up thinking it's impossible. But here's the truth. The secret isn't on your desktop. The real trick is hidden inside your Google app on your smartphone. And that's exactly how I've been able to create several Gmail accounts for myself. No phone numbers, no verification codes, and honestly, nothing complicated. And just to be clear, this isn't some shady hack or illegal workaround. It's simply about using Google's own tools the right way. But you've got to follow each step carefully, otherwise it won't work for you. All right, ready? Let's jump into the exact process. First, grab your phone and open up the Google app. Now, look at the top right corner. Tap on your profile picture or the letter icon if that's what you see. Next, tap the small drop-down arrow and then hit Add Another Account. You'll see a setup screen pop up. Here's what to do.
Tap on Create Account.
Enter your first name and last name, add your date of birth and gender, then choose a unique username for your Gmail. Create a strong password. Make sure it includes letters, numbers, maybe even a symbol or two. Then tap Next. Scroll down, accept Google's terms, and tap I agree. Now, here's the key moment. Once you restart your Google app, boom, your brand new Gmail account appears. And the best part, no phone number was required at all. I've repeated this process multiple times, and every single account worked perfectly. So if you follow the steps exactly, you'll get the same results, no problem. So there you go. The real way to create Gmail accounts without phone numbers. No scams, no stress, just a simple trick that actually works. If this video helped you, go ahead and hit that like button so more people can find it. Subscribe if you want more legit tech tutorials that actually deliver, and drop a comment below telling me if it worked for you. I'd love to hear your results. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.